Hello students, welcome to Mama Mary Miscellaneous YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see Old Man River, Unit 3 Drama, Standard 9, Samacheer Kalvi. All the book back questions, detailed questions, and even the creative writing is given in this video very clearly. You can make use of this video and write your classwork neatly. Thank you. Old Man River Drama. So you have no in-text questions in this lesson or in this drama. But you have book back questions. There are 9 book back questions. Number 1. Why did Jim run from school? It was a cloudburst, so Jim ran from school to get home. Where was Ami's mother? Ami's mother was at Mrs. Brand's house. Why did Ami ask Betty to fill in the water taps? Ami thought that it would be unsafe to drink in case the town water supply was cut off, so she asked Betty to fill in the water taps with fresh water. According to Jim, what are the 2 things that a person should remember in times of emergency? According to Jim, the first is that a person must not let others see how scared we are. The second thing is to get together things such as water, food, blankets, coats and lights. 5. Why is Jim climbing on the roof? Jim is climbing on the roof to signal for help from there. Who was there in the living room? What were they doing? Ami, Betty and Rose were in the living room. Ami and Rose were knitting. Betty was looking at pictures in a magazine. Why were they going to sleep in the attic or in the attic? They were going to sleep in the attic because they felt insecure in the living room as the water level was rising. Who came in the boat? Mr. Tom Peters. Or you can write Mr. Peters and Miss Marsh came in the boat. And the 9th question, who is the founder of the Junior Red Cross? Henry Dunant. Born Jane Henry Dunant, 8th May 1828 and died 30th October 1910. A Swiss businessman and cross. He was the first recipient of the Nobel Prize Peace. So that's all about the 2 mark questions. Now we are moving on to little maybe 5 mark questions, or they may ask 3 mark question also. So here are 4 questions. Describe the home alone experience of the children. Elaborate the rescue operation undertaken by Mr. Peter. How did Jim prove himself as a good rescuer in the flood situation? And the 4th one, briefly narrate the happenings of the play in scene 2. So in question 4 you have 2 questions, like question A and question B. So it is fully on scene 2. Okay, so scene 2, question A, how did Ami manage the situation at home? Scene 2, question B, how did the marshal save the children? That's all about the 2 mark questions, 3 mark or 5 mark questions. Now we move on to creative writing. This also you need to write in your class work neatly because it's 5 mark question. Write a letter to your friend about your experiences during the recent Gaja cyclone. It depends, okay, sometimes it's Gaja, sometimes some other cyclone also. The answer goes like this. See, first you need to write the address. So you are writing your own address like 123 Vivekananda Street, Gandhi Nagar, Kanyakumari. You can write your own address like Chennai address. If you are living in Chennai, you write Chennai address, or fake address also you can write, not a matter at all. One address should be written, and down you must write like this month, date and the year. Then you can write your friend name. Here I have mentioned Selvi. You can write your friend name, maybe Daniela, Rosie, or you can write anything, Tamil or Arasi, something and all you can write for us. See here. Dear Selvi, I hope you are all fine there. You would have read a newspaper about the cyclone Gaja and how had it played on the Kaveri Delta region. Well, I had a bitter experience when the cyclone hit our town with the full speed. Hundreds of trees were uprooted. There was no power supply for 4 days continuously. We ran shortage of water supply as we could not switch on the motor. We had to get water from the trains. It was horrible. We could not go anywhere as there was no transport facilities and the roads were damaged and blocked. There was slush. Slush means sagadi, okay, dirty sagadi. So there was slush and dust everywhere. Our neighbors fell sick with fever. I cannot forget the nightmare week. Nightmare means like maybe horrible, bayam, tihil pada madri, horrifying. Okay, that's what nightmare week. We are now slowly returning to normal life. Don't worry, we will meet soon. You are loving friend. Sorry, here you are. No, you are. And space, loving friend. It is there, okay? Angela. You can write any name. Your name you can write. So that's it with the video today. I hope you have understood. Please write neatly your classwork. Learn well, write well. Have a great life. Thank you.